Hello everyone, today we will talk about Tang and Tang, and both formula treat dryness. Dryness, especially respiratory system. Tang, Fei means lung, and Tang is commonly used for dry coughing and sticky phlegm. But there's a big difference between those two formulas. What is the difference? History. Tang is first used in Han Dynasty, and Tang is first used 17th century. So between those two formulas, there are 1700 years of gap. So in Tang, there are many new herbs inside, and Tang has way less ingredients. But the indication-wise, very similar. Both of the formula has Maimendong and Renzen and Ganzhou. But let's forget about Ganzhou a bit. So Renzen and Maimendong, those herbs are common herbs between Tang and Tang. And Maimendong and Renzen both nourish in and fluid of lung. That means this formula treats sticky, phlegm, hard to expectorate phlegm, so dryness, Maimendong and Renzen. And we usually think Renzen is a tonifying qi herb, but in Sanghan period when Maimendong Tang is written, Renzen is commonly used to nourish in and fluid. And also Renzen can tonify lung qi, so I think it is a good choice. But some ancient texts like Korean text 방역하편, that book do not have Renzen inside of Maimendong Tang. We can easily expect why he removed the Renzen from Maimendong Tang, because he didn't want to tonify qi and more focused on nourish in of this formula. But original formula has Renzen, and Tang also has both Maimendong and Renzen. And this is one part, nourishing lung in and fluid. Maimendong Tang has Bansha, while Tang has Xingnen. So this common side, nourish in, treat dryness. But Maimendong Tang, Bansha, treat the phlegm, lung phlegm, and Tang, Xingnen, suppress coughing. Besides Xingnen, Tang has Sangnye, mulberry leaf, and pipaya too. All these three herbs treat coughing. So this side, Bansha and Xingnen, treat coughing and phlegm, and fundamentally this formula treat the dryness of the respiratory system. We can use these two formula for subacute and chronic coughing. There's still coughing, not that chronic, like a Luwei Diwangwan or Buzhong Ichitang, not those chronic, but coughing is still there. And phlegm is there, but it is very sticky and very little phlegm. So these formulas can be used for prolonged coughing condition, like 3 weeks or month or so. And there's a difference too. Tang, instead of Tang, Sangnye Shigao. Shigao is used, and Shigao also nourish in, especially stomach, like Maimendong and Renzen. And Shigao is not in Maimendong Tang. That means Tang has stronger function in clearing heat. So that is the only difference you need to consider when you choose the formula between Maimendong Tang and Tang. And these two formulas are one of the most commonly used formula for coronavirus, especially if patient has a coughing. All right, I hope you enjoyed the lecture.